Welcome to the video on Nature's Seat, Woven Bench and Stone Fusion. This video shows the process of designing and building a unique bench that combines natural stone and woven materials. The process begins with the initial design and sketching of the bench. Next, the stone pieces are carefully selected and handled to form the base of the bench. Stone cutting and shaping are performed to achieve the desired form for the seat. Preparation of the natural materials for the woven backrest is an important step. The weaving process transforms the raw materials into the intricate pattern for the backrest. A close-up view reveals the texture and pattern of the completed woven panel. The woven panel is framed and secured, preparing it for assembly. The heavy stone base is moved into position, ready to receive the backrest. The beautifully woven backrest is aligned with the stone bench. The final assembly phase involves carefully mounting the woven backrest onto the stone base. The completed bench is transported and placed in a scenic outdoor setting. Adjustments are made to ensure the bench is perfectly situated in its new environment. The finished nature seat provides a blend of organic and rustic materials, offering a perfect resting spot. Thank you for watching this video on the creation of the woven bench and stone fusion.